Ever wondered which gas cooktop truly brings restaurant-quality results right to your kitchen? Today, we're diving into the hidden features and powerful designs that can completely transform how you cook. From unmatched flame control to the sleekest builds, these cooktops might just surprise you. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll discover which one stands out as the ultimate choice. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 6 best gas cooktops and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 6. Frigidaire Gallery 36-inch 5-burner gas cooktop. If your kitchen has a modern aesthetic, this 36-inch black cooktop from Frigidaire is well worth considering. It features 5 burners, including a low-simmer burner, and its continuous cast-iron grates offer a smooth cooking surface designed to contain messes and prevent leaks into burners. There are also dishwasher-safe grates and angled control knobs, plus it can be installed over single-wall ovens. Number 5. Samsung 36-inch 5-burner gas cooktop. Hate the look of fingerprints and smudges on your stainless steel appliances? This 36-inch cooktop from Samsung has a fingerprint-resistant matte finish and 5 burners, including one that's fast boil. The continuous edge-to-edge cast-iron grates are easy to slide pans across, and the burners are sealed for easy maintenance. The only downside is that the grates are somewhat narrow, so you can't fit 2 full-size pans on the front and back burners simultaneously. Number 4. Bosch 500 Series 24-inch 4-burner gas cooktop. If you have a smaller kitchen, this compact gas cooktop is an excellent one to consider. It's just 24 inches wide, but still offers 4 burners, a seamless stainless steel base, and cast-iron grates. Also, the low-profile design helps maintain a clean line across the countertop. This cooktop has metal knobs for a premium feel, and electronic reignition will automatically reignite the flame if it ever goes out. Sealed burners prevent spills from getting inside the appliance, and the unit even comes with a liquid propane conversion kit. Number 3. Café 36-inch 6-burner gas cooktop. This oversized gas cooktop from Café is a worthwhile investment for serious cooks. It's 36 inches wide with 6 burners, including a commercial-style burner that swirls the flame underneath your pan, a tri-ring burner, 2 griddle burners, and 2 high-heat burners. It even has a special wok grate that's contoured to fit rounded cookware. This high-end gas cooktop comes in 3 finishes and features porcelain-coated cast-iron grates. There are also a wide range of knobs available for this model to match your kitchen's color scheme. The burners are sealed for easy cleanup, and while the stove is compatible with a griddle accessory, that piece is sold separately. Number 2. Whirlpool 30-inch 4-burner gas cooktop. Messy cooks will appreciate this gas cooktop from Whirlpool, which has several features that make it easy to clean. Raised edges help to contain spills on the stainless steel cooktop, and its hinged grates swing upward, allowing you to wipe underneath without removing them. It also has sealed burners and dishwasher-safe knobs. This 30-inch gas cooktop features 4 burners, including one for faster boiling and one for simmering on low heat. The cast-iron grates run edge-to-edge for maximum cooking space, and the cooktop is wall oven compatible in case you want to pair it with another appliance. Number 1. GE 30-inch 4-burner stainless steel gas cooktop. This 4-burner gas cooktop from GE has a basic design that works well in most kitchens. It's a standard 30-inch model that comes in 4 finishes, and it has control knobs along the right-hand side. In addition to 2 standard burners, it features a fast boil burner and a designed burner for simmering that puts out lower heat. The cooktop has sealed burners and a recessed surface that contains spills, and its heavy-duty grates are dishwasher safe. Plus, GE offers a fit guarantee. If the cooktop doesn't fit your existing 30-inch cutout, the brand will pay $100 for a different model. Here are the best gas cooktops available. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, ideas for our next review, or just want to chat, feel free to leave a comment below. We value your insights and are always eager to engage in conversation. If you decide to subscribe, welcome to the Tech Tribe. We have some exciting content coming your way, so get ready. Until next time, keep rocking, stay safe, and we'll catch you later. Peace out.